Hi, I'm Karthik. Welcome back to my Martha channel. In the last TikTok tutorial video, I shown you how to set up business manager, add partners or team members to your business manager, how to manage ad accounts, all those things. And in this video, I will detail you about how to configure custom audience and interest-based audience at ad group level, and then different types of ads, including the Spark post, and then lead forms and lead instant forms or the instant pages. And I will also detail you about the CapCut video editor and the TikTok catalog manager for promoting your e-commerce store. If you have selected the tag add in interest in the first place, it will ask for the, say if I have selected baby kids maternity here, this will add it to include target audience. And when you selected this targeting expansion, it will ask for the prompt whether you can whether TikTok a algorithm itself can expand your targeting based on the age or as well as the interest and behaviors. They can expand to other interests also, basically. And a daily budget you can set as like $20 as minimum daily budget, and you can schedule the campaign, run ad group within a date range, those kind of things. And you can also schedule the campaign, like day parting is allowed. Day parting is like if you want to run the campaign on specific time like 9 to 5 p.m., those kind of things can be configured here. 9 to 5, those kind of things, all those timings can be, specific timings can be configured. It depends on the requirement of the customer. You can client, you can just configure as the client wishes. And bidding strategy would be the cost cap would be like you will set a default cost cap for the in my case it's for the lead generation, so you will set us like for $10 or $15 or like $50 per lead. You will bid on that basis, or like you can just select the lowest cost. TikTok will give you the best cost possible currently in the market, and or the lowest cost possible in the market. Delivery that would be like you will be billed as per the impression basis only. These are like standard things which you are regularly go through with any any media buying platforms. Yeah. And then these are like dynamic creatives of Facebook. You can TikTok itself will give multiple ad create optimization option. And then comes the ad. Once we are done with the ad group, we can go to the actual ad thing. Here you can do two things. One is like you can boost a post similar to Facebook boost post. You can TikTok calls it as Spark ads. Spark ads are nothing but you can link your original your TikTok account, and then use your TikTok account videos to boost to boost a particular post. Say here if at all I'm using here, I can just click the TikTok post and it will load all those posts available, and I can just tick that click that post, and that will automatically populate the text and the video here. And call to action can be like, it can be set as dynamic, or you can set the default like learn more is the recommended thing. You can go with the learn more thing, and by checking this box you are adhering to the TikTok. And last thing, but the most important thing, you have to create an instant form. Because I have chosen campaign objective as lead generation, I have to choose a instant page form. TikTok gives two kinds of option, like basic form and advanced form. Classic form they are calling, and you can just configure each and everything, like the form type for the higher intent or the lower intent, introduction, whether you wanted introduction for with your branding. I normally disable it, and then you can ask the desired questions like user information, contact information. You can add phone number, and you can just move up or down depending on as you record name, email, phone number, or like name, phone number, email. That would be easy for the customer to populate. And then you have to click the privacy thing, and after that, you for the thank you page, there is no direct call to us kind of thing. You can see it in the Facebook forms. All you can do is you can just navigate to your website. Once you are done with the form, you just give a proper name for you to easily identify this form, so that you can use with your other ad groups or other ads as well. Just click complete. That's it. After you create your instant form, this will list as this will list the form will be listed here for you, and there will be a preview for near to that. You can see how the form actually will look to the customer. And what if you have a change of mind, you don't want to use your organic post you posted at the TikTok, you can just disable this option, deliver the Spark Ads option, and you can just set a custom identity. Like you can use a custom profile and a custom name for advertising. This is a unique feature. You can use different custom identity for different campaigns, or like the different campaigns you wish. Say if you are offering a Black Friday deal, you can just relate it. You can create a custom identity related to Black Friday, and then if you have since you have disabled the organic post boosting, you have to upload a video. That the standard aspect ratio would be like 9:16, and those are like and once you can upload the video, or you can use the library, or TikTok also offers, I assume many of you might know, like TikTok has a platform called CapCut, which is a video editing thing, which is also free. So you can just go and show your video editing skills there, and create awesome videos for specifically for marketing. And call to action, we can just select the desired call to action, and we can just give the text up to 100 characters about your offers, or like the marketing deal you promoted to the customer. Once you are done with that, just click the upload button. You will be shown like where you can upload it from your local computer. Once you are done with that, you can just click submit, and if you have the necessary balance, you can add funds to your account. And if you have the necessary balance, then this is the platform for video editing TikTok is offering for free. And if you have the necessary balance, then your ads will be live as soon as the TikTok approves it. And the dashboard is where all the campaign metrics are shown, where like including the placements, day parting, gender, and how many ad groups are running, and how much is the ad spend, everything. This is a demo account, so it's showing 0 value. For the actual account, it will show the real values. And you can also go to reporting section and look for video insights and all those things. What if you have a e-commerce store and if you want to promote it? TikTok has similar to Facebook Commerce Manager, as I explained in the previous one of my previous video. In TikTok Catalog Manager, you can add catalogs, and then you can use those products to promote your product. This is how the entire TikTok advertising works. Right from the business center, then to the ad account, and then to the campaigns, and then to the ad groups, and then to the ads. Ads can be like your organic post, that is Spark Ads, or like the marketing specific ads. And CapCut is the platform you can use to easily create TikTok friendly marketing videos. And ad campaigns can be conversions, lead generation, app installs, or like just awareness. All those things you can configure while setting your campaign configuration. And currently you can target your audience, audience based on their interest, or if you want to target a particular set of audience, you can use custom audience. For custom audience, TikTok currently supports only GA ID and Apple Advertiser ID, and the phone number matching and email matching is currently under testing. So we have covered from right from the business manager, how to set up the business manager, to the ad account, to the ad groups, to the ads, and the instant form also in case of lead generation. And once you are done with that, the leads will populate and you can just download the leads, and that can be pushed to your CRM, or your VAs can reach out to those prospects and convert them to actual customers. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Bye.